This is a 2010 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, dusk-sensing headlights, external temperature display, and this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Titus Will Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 3606 South Sprague Avenue in Tacoma.